First, okay, we had to get this 90-degree angle iron, and all we did was just hold up the e-brake real quick, mock everything up, you know, right here. That is very hot. Ow. But we just held it up where we need it, where we need to cut the corner off. Just mocked everything up very roughly. Then we're gonna come back through, mark the holes, drill the holes for the e-brake. Got all the training tunnel cleaned to weld on, all the good stuff. We'll be ready to be drifting in no time.
Just had to cut this off here, cut the angle iron, because e-brake's gonna mount, or e-brake's gonna mount right here. So it'll go in the car like that. And we cut right here for where the shifter comes to the training tunnel to clear that. And take this, bend that bottom, it's just a piece of angle iron, but you just bend this bottom part right there to get it over to the training tunnel. And then right there you'll mount the hydro. Was it on fire?
Almost. Gotta go down to like here.
Here, mark it.
I did.
Oh.
Sort of.
Okay, so now we're gonna set this up in here where we'd want it to be, which is roughly right about like that.
Got a Sharpie. Alright.
Then we're gonna set this up here. Try to mark, look at the, hope you can see what we're doing. Look at the back hole on the e-brake in there. Look at about where it goes. And then he's gonna lift it up and mark it because you can't get the Sharpie down in there. Okay, and then we're gonna go drill that hole, get that bolted down, and we'll mark the front. So we drilled our first hole in there. You can kind of see it. Got a bolt in there. So now we're gonna put it back in the car, line it up, and try to mark that front hole. Okay, so we got the second hole drilled right there. So we got both those lined up. You want to try to make them as straight up as you can because we're gonna turn them into just like studs. So now we're gonna weld these on. So let's do that. Okay, we got both those welded up. We're gonna go try to fit it in the car. So now it'll sit just like that in the car. Okay, we got the shift knob back on the steering wheel to make sure it'll clearance in between both those. Looks good. So we're gonna pull the e-brake off. Well, we're gonna mark it, pull the e-brake off, and then we're gonna weld her up into the car. So get to the front a little better.
see what we got cooking up in here. I'd say he's cooking, if you ask me. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Just got that plate all welded in there. Rattle canned it with some blacks. We're gonna let that dry, and then we'll put the hydro in and see how it's lined up.
After everything's all said and done, this is the final product.